Okay, kids, we are back again with addition. Now we have the exercise in your book. I'm going to show you how to do one or two, and you have to complete the rest by yourself. It says counting groups. Now listen, point to each group and count the objects. How many leaves are in each group? How many groups of leaves are there? How many leaves are there all together? If you look here, you will see different leaves, and these leaves are in groups. They are in groups. Just like I can have, there we have how many leaves? 2 leaves here, I have 2 here. 2 leaves here, I have 2 here. And another 2 leaves here, and I have 2 here. So they are all in groups. 2, 4, 6. I know it's difficult for you to count in numbers of 2s because you're still babies, but you have to learn how to count in 2s. Now, count these in groups. Write how many leaves are there all together. All together means addition, means you have to join all together and count and write the total. So we have addition in different forms, but the main thing about addition is joining together and counting to get the total. Okay? So the concept remains the same no matter what you see. So now we have leaves in groups. How many groups do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 groups. We are counting them in groups. So we have 4 groups here. Okay. Now they are in 4 groups. How many leaves do we have in each group? We have 1, 2 leaves here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So we have 2 leaves each in each group. Now, they said count all together in groups and write the total in the box. Normally, we are supposed to count in groups like 2 plus 2 give us 4, 6, 8. But if you don't know how to count in 2s, you can still join all together and count and write the total. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2s in 4 groups gives us the number 8. Good job. The next set of leaves, you have to do it by yourself, just like I did this. Okay? Now, let's go here. Draw 2 apples in each tree. Count the total number of apples. They said draw 2 apples in each tree. How many trees do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4 trees. So I have to draw 2 apples each. Let's do this. Maybe this is my apple. I will just draw circles like my apple. They said draw 2 apples in each tree. Now count all together, it's still addition, and write the total of number of apples here. So we are supposed to count in groups like 2, 4, 6, 8. But if you can't count that way, you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So all together we have 8 apples on the trees. So you have to do this by yourself. Do it same like this, okay? Now, put 5 counters in each of these circles. How many counters are there all together? Now let's use our counter. They said put 5 counters each. So I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to count so you don't make a mistake, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I have 5 counters in each group. How many groups do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4 groups. So I have to put all together and count together total. So it's addition. Now we are counting in groups. That's why we are doing everything here in groups. Now let's go. Normally, if you have to count in groups, you're going to count the numbers of 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20. But I know that will be a bit difficult for you, so you can still count in ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So all together is 20 counters. You have to do all this exercise at home, okay? Thank you.